Hey, are you looking for quality traffic that converts that will help you to actually make sales in your online business? If you're a network marketer or affiliate marketer and you have affiliate offers that you want to promote, well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and I've been marketing online for a while now. I am a top producer online, and I am a traffic expert, and I help people to actually get results. And so, I want to take you to, Udemy Solo Ads, which is a really well-known, um, a platform for solo ad providers. Now, there's a lot of very good solo ad providers on here, and I'm gonna take you through this so you know exactly who's who. So, is what you're looking for is people that have, sales and 50% um, conversion rate in with the sales. And basically you look right here, you could see people's conversion rates, as we go down the list like this, right? And there's a lot of very good people that have results of sales. So these are the kind of people that you want to actually, work with when you're looking for, traffic. But the problem with, getting traffic on here is you give people a link and they're not going to tell you if your stuff is going to convert or if it's not. They're not going to actually help you to optimize so you can get the best results possible. But what can happen when you buy a lot of traffic consistently from platforms like this is you don't know your stats. You might be spending a lot of money on cold traffic, and you just keep spending your money and spending your money, not really getting the return that you expected, and you don't know how to actually get results with solo ad traffic. Now, I use solo ad traffic in three different ways: with email, YouTube, and Facebook. So those are the three methods that I use. Um, when you actually have people coming from YouTube getting onto your email list, then you're able to build a relationship with them and make sales. And when you do YouTube videos and you send your videos to your email list, they're actually seeing you live. So it helps to build a relationship, and your email list subscribers will see your video, which help them to rank in the search engines. Then when you're running solo ad traffic in the background, then you're able to actually have people get onto your list and actually see your offers, see who you are, and it better helps them convert, right? It better helps them want to buy from you because they see you on video. And that's the way that I would actually use solo ad traffic. And I mean, as you can see right here, this is Solo Ads X, a very well known solo ad platform. Uh, it's the king of solo ads. Solo Ad X is the big guns, right? So I'm at the top. I'm at the top of the banner, and I'm also on the group, right? So I'm at the top of their site and also in their Facebook group. So if you go to the Facebook group, you'll see me. And I love the fact that people reach out to me because I love to help people get results. I don't want people from a platform like Udemy just sending me a link, having me send traffic to whatever. That's why I do most of my traffic from Facebook. So you find me on Facebook, you're going to connect with me personally. I'm going to talk to you personally. I'm going to help you personally. And I'm unlike any other traffic provider that you ever dealt with, right? I am a traffic provider. I'm a marketer, not a solo ad vendor. Solo ad vendors just sell clicks. That's their business, selling clicks, right? I don't just sell clicks. I'm a marketer first before I sell you any kind of traffic. And I would tell you to deal with somebody who knows marketing, who knows how to generate leads, who knows how to convert those leads into sales, and who will help you to get results. And that is me. And that's why I'm making this video, because I want you to reach out to me and say, hey, Gio, I want to get some traffic from you, and I'm looking forward to it. And how do I get started, right? Well, if you want to know how to get started, Here's my site right here. You'll also see a link for my site in the description. Is profitbuilderstraffic.com. So you just come here and you can watch this video. And basically, I tell you how not all solo ad vendors are marketers, but some marketers sell traffic, and that's me, right? So when you get traffic, it's very important to know how your offers and your pages are converting. You want to have targeted traffic to those offers, and you want to make sure that the landing page and the copy used is converting and is congruent with your offer. And most importantly, you want to make sure that the traffic that you're getting is real traffic, not bots, not fake clicks, real engaged people that actually want what you have to offer. It's very, very important. Or otherwise, you could end up like I was a couple years back when I first got online. I got online about 6 years ago, and it took me 6 years to start getting results. And I was $87,000 in debt because I was running cold traffic to a funnel without knowing anything about tracking my stats and everything like that. So that's why I made it my mission to help other people, because I don't want other people to end up like I was in that debt. I don't want them to end up, struggling, not knowing how to use cold traffic the right way. So that's why I do my best to actually help you. And when you order a traffic package from me, you're gonna get traffic from a variety of different places, which include Facebook, YouTube, Google, and Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. You get a mix of that traffic, and basically, you'll have the option to set up a call with me after you book your traffic package, which is highly recommended. And the goal for that is to see where you are in your marketing. I know a lot of people that are running solo ad traffic. They come to me, they have questions, they have concerns, they have things that they want to get answered, and nobody ever helps them. So I always set up a call with people. When you order traffic from me, you're going to get top-notch customer service. You're going to get my all from you because I value you as a customer. When you order from me, it's going to be unlike anything you've ever experienced. And my goal is to actually help you to manage your funnels and your offers if you want to, if you would like to. And I give you the highest converting pages that will convert your offers over 50%. Most times I can't guarantee that. Don't mark my words on that, because it all depends on your offer. It all depends on your copy. It all depends on things like that. But basically, my goal is to get somebody at least 50%, and I have as high as an 88.9% opt-in rate as of now, which is probably the highest in the solo ad industry that I've ever seen, right? And my goal is to also help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate, because it's very important when you're running cold traffic. If you're not tracking your stats, then you're throwing your money down the drain, right? Because you don't know the stats, you don't know the conversion rate. A lot of people come to me, they're not tracking anything. It's very important to track everything. And I want to help you build a list of only the right people who are highly engaged, who actually want what you have to offer, and who actually have interest, right? Because if you don't have interested people on your list, then there's no point. And so you can get started with a traffic package from me by clicking the link below this video in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select your package below on this page, and you can get clicks for as low as 50 cents a click. The more traffic you get, the cheaper it is. Then we do a campaign review. If you schedule a call, which I highly recommend you do, whenever we review your campaign, we try to optimize it to make sure you get the highest results possible and get the best converting results out of your run, right? And then your traffic package will start within 72 hours or less. So after you book the call, that's when it'll start. So you book the call first, and then we go through the process of seeing what you have, where you are, and helping you to get the best results. Right. So here's some of my testimonials: 200 clicks, 2 sales; 200 clicks, 5 sales. Here's sales right here: 200 clicks, 84% opt-in rate. 3 sales, 200 clicks, 7 sales. 200 clicks, 4 sales. 200 clicks. Here's the 88.9%. Here's my highest so far. And it just keeps going on and on. Here's 85% opt-in rate, 4 sales, right? And it all really depends on how consistent you are and how you follow up with your list. So you pick a package right here, and then this is for 100% T1. 100% T1 is always recommended. And then here's some of the companies that we work with. And then right here's some of the questions that you may ask. So look over this part, and my guarantee to you is I can't refund you in traffic, but I can compensate you uh, for your traffic. So if you have any issues with your traffic, I help you to actually uh, get um, results with the traffic if you have any issues, right? I compensate you in traffic. You can leave a message down here and I'll be in contact with you as soon as I get the message. So make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get to this page. You can order your traffic package today. Also, get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description, and you'll learn a ton. And then also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.